Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is the intraday video and on the 1 hour chart and 15-minute chart to see what happened for Bitcoin and what it might happen in the next few hours. So for the bullish and the bearish scenarios, this is a very clear cross point here between bullish and bearish, because in both case scenario we have finished of course a formation for correction here in a W, X, and a Y. Your wave Y is a clear triangle, right? And it was very boring and ranging for a long time. So W, X, and a Y finished in a very long time as a correction probably, and we're moving for higher. Now, are we moving directly for higher? Of course not. There is always some crossroad. Don't forget though that your bearish scenario can still be a 1-2 as a flat and then another 1-2, and your contracting diagonal still can be looking for a wave 2 as a zigzag, yeah, or as a flat. Because the time taken, as you can see, this is a time taken from your wave 1, yeah, giving us the perfect time for a wave 2 between those, of course, 0.618 and the 1-to-1 FIB time. Now, the 0.618 is the perfect ideal time, of course, but between is even much more perfect. Meaning, if we are moving for higher impulsively, that might be your 3 waves up, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave C and a wave 2. Yeah, so we have to be careful. We are still, of course, in a bearish scenario as well at the same time. Your key level to, of course, invalidate this bearish signal or bearish formation is taking the 886 at 101k 500. Yeah, so this is our key level to say, okay, that we are done with the bearish and we're not looking for lower anymore and we're looking for higher. Now, the last scenario, which is very low possibility, is your A, B, and a C toward the upside. This is a very low possibility. Once you take the 886, you would like to move for higher, especially after a very long correction. Because if you take only this as ABC, meaning you are in a bigger sideways triangle, WXY, WX, and a Y, and your wave Y is this triangle. It's very boring, right? We don't want this. So yeah, probably we are moving for a wave 5 in case, only in case we take the 886. Now we still have to look what's going on inside this area on the 1 hour chart. As you can see, we see again, yeah, followed directly by red, but yeah, we have finished kind of an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, yeah, but followed directly by red signal. But if we count from here, if we have a 1 and then a 2, and then we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, so this might play as a wave 3 probably, and then of course wave 4 again, but interfering with your wave 1, so yeah, invalidation. So you cannot call 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, right? Unless you have something like an ending diagonal here. So it could be like 1, 2, and then probably this 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Well, it looks like more like expanding diagonal, right? So it's not really clear unless if you are in several 1-2s, guys. And this is, of course, a very low possibility that this can be, of course, an ABC for another 1-2 here, another 1-2, and triple 1-2s. Yeah, so again, we are expanding triple 1-2s inside. So if the price move towards the downside, we have to be careful with it, of course. It might be, of course, a bigger 1 and 2. Now, your scenario here for bullish. Let's see if we are bullish. Now, of course, you have finished an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's moving very fast down. I don't know why. But yeah, uh, now, of course, we have the 0.618, 0.786. This is exactly your targets, yeah, for a wave 2. So if you are in a wave 1 and 2, you would like, of course, to reach anyways this price. Oh my God, it's falling down like crazy. What's going on? Is there any news? Okay, whatever. So yeah, so probably we are already there. So in 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, this is your bullish scenario. But this is very fast. This is very wave 3 toward the downside, guys. So be careful from it. a big massive drop. So let's take a look here what's going on. On KGT, we have bullish divergence towards the upside. Okay, less. Oh, okay. Yeah, the weaker signal are there already on the 200, meaning it is strong for bearish, guys. Yeah, it's still very, very strong for bearish. Look at the 5-minute chart, we get it on the 280 almost strength. So yeah, it's we still have a lot of pressure of selling, but let's see how this is gonna react in this area before we say this is a way 3 toward the downside. But yeah, the drop is massive. Yeah, it's not nice to see it. Of course, in case you are in a wave 2, of course you want to be a zigzag here. So if this is an impulse wave A, B, and a C, okay, it can still move toward the upside. Now breaking the 0.886, this is of course your signal for even taking the low. You know, I don't know if it's gonna move very fast, but taking the low at least. Yeah, at the 886. So let's watch and see what's gonna happen. Now, of course, we are still in between 50-50. If we take the 886, then we are still looking for lower. If we move for higher between those fib level, the green one, and move impulsively, then therefore we have to watch those level, key level here. Again, a very, very important crossroad between bearish and bullish here. Breaking the 886, meaning of course new all-time high as higher possibility. That was it for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.